This criminal appeal is filed by the prosecution against the judgment and order passed by the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate, Aurangabad, in regular criminal case number 1634/2012, whereby the respondent accused is acquitted of the offences punishable under section 23 of the Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques Prohibition of Sex Selection Act 1994, read with Rule 9 and 10 of the Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Technique Prohibition of Sex Selection Act 1994, hereinafter referred as capital P C P N D T Act parties are referred as per their original status in regular criminal case number 1634/2012 . It is the case of the prosecution that complainant Dr. Jayashree Kulkarni is appropriate authority, appointed under section 17 of the PCPNDT Act for the corporation area of Aurangabad Municipal Corporation, accused running a hospital by name Onkar Sonography Center, Vijaynagar, Garkheda, Aurangabad, on 6th June 2012, Dr. Jayashree Kulkarni has initiated a special drive against the misuse of a prenatal diagnostic technique for determination of sex of a fetus, leading to female feticide. During said drives, the hospital of accused was inspected. It was observed that proper record as required under PCPNDT Act as well as PCPNDT rules, 1996 and 2011 were not been kept and following irregularities were observed. A. F form were not in appropriate performa. B. In some F form, only the first name of the pregnant lady was mentioned. The complete name and address was missing. C. In some F form, the reasons of conducting of sonography were not mentioned. D. In some F form, telephone number of the patient were not mentioned. E. In some F form, requisite, all the mandatory columns were not filled. F. Referral slips were not affixed on number of F form. G. In some cases, declaration of the doctors were not kept on record, and H. Hard copy / duplicate copy of the sonography report was not kept. These all irregularities were during the period between 16/10/2010 to 24/10/2010, 5/3/2011 to 9/6/2011, 21/2/2012 to 34/2012 and 34/2012 to 5/6/2012, and hence, registers concerning all these periods were seized. Similarly, declaration / consent form registered of pregnant woman for the period of 10th August 2010 to 14 December 2010 and 13 December 2011 to 23 April 2012 were also seized by drawing requisite Panchanama. The learned Chief Judicial Magistrate, Aurangabad, framed a charge against accused under section 23 of the PCPNDT Act, Wide Exhibit 4, accused pleaded not guilty and claimed to be tried. To prove the guilt against accused person, the complainant examined two witnesses, that is Dr. Jayashree Kulkarni as PW1 at Exhibit 24 and Dr. Sandhya Takalkar as PW2 at Exhibit 31. Full stop. Statement of accused under Section 313 CRPC recorded para. Upon considering the evidence on record, the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate acquitted the accused as stated above. Full stop. Aggrieved by said judgment and order, the appellant oblique complainant challenged said judgment and order through this appeal para. Heard both sides, perused the document and the impugned order. Full stop. Following point arise for determination. Para number 1. Whether interference is warranted by this court in the judgment and order passed by the learned trial court. Para. The submission of advocate for appellant that, the respondent was running hospital contrary to rules and regulation of PCPNDT Act, number of irregularities found during the visit by the complainant, and therefore, respondent shall be held guilty for violation of provisions of PCPNDT Act. Stop.